Hi guys, how to download Delta Force on PC. Now, launch any web browser on your computer. Click on the search bar, type Steam, and click the first official link. Using the wrong link here is a common mistake that leads to fake installers, so stay sharp. Click the green Install Steam button at the top right, then click the blue Install Steam button to download the launcher. Keep watching because the next step shows how to find the game without getting lost in the Open the Steam app, log into your account, click the store search bar, and type Delta Force. Here is a pro tip. Make sure you spell it exactly right or you might land on a fake copycat page. Scroll down on the Delta Force game page and click the button to add this free game directly to your Steam library. Yes, it's completely free, so don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Navigate to your library tab at the top of Steam. Locate Delta Force in your games list. Click on it and hit the install button to begin downloading the game files. This step takes the longest, so be patient. That's it. You are now downloading Delta Force for free on Steam.